So, you're so cold, don't touch me. So school for me the last quarter had been online and I had a lot more time, so I wanted to make a dress out of a piece of fabric that I bought like a year or two ago. I procrastinate a lot on my projects. It's like a stretchy cotton blend with little purple flowers on it. And I really wanted to make something like Reformation inspired. I decided to make a dress with a square neckline with sleeves that are wider to the edges, the bottom. And the dress looks like this. And the skirt of the dress goes up to like right above my knee. To make a dress, you don't actually need much. You need a piece of fabric. I think 2 yards is safe for if you want like a mid-thigh skirt. If you want like a maxi dress or something like that, you obviously need more fabric. I'd add another yard to it. You need a zipper or buttons or something you can use to make the closure of the fabric. I actually picked this zipper up at Walmart in the craft section. And you need thread that matches the color of your dress. So this is not a tutorial, but it's just like a follow along as I sew. What are you making? I can show them. I'm knitting a sweater. Basically, the first thing I want to do is to make the skirt of the dress. You need to measure your waist along the skinniest section. So what you do is you basically lean sideways and you see where the fold is in your waist. That's where you measure around. Ew, my pinky. They also have circle skirt calculators if you want to go online to find them. It might be easier. You just plug in your waist measurement and then it'll like calculate everything out for you. I suddenly remember I like to dance on the... No, it's I like to ride my bicycle. Bicycle. I can't stop thinking about that song. Scammer girl on YouTube teaching me how to knit sweaters, but she's a scammer because there's a hole in the armpit. There's a random stitch that got caught in there. Amber's talking about the time. I literally do not know where that stitch came from. And there's a hole in the armpit. Oh. Scammers really do be making all the money these days. Opened up, it looks like this. I'm gonna see if it fits around my waist. Here I need to take in a bib. So right now the top looks like this. With the skirt part it looks like this. Just gonna sew it on. So on the back I also added a zipper. This just goes all the way to the top. So Hook and I will keep the top part a bit tighter. So I took a bit of a break from sewing because I wanted to finish my last online quarter. Last time I left off after sewing the bodice onto the waistband, onto the skirt, and then attaching the zipper. All I have left to do is the straps for the dress, and then to decide how long I want the dress. So I've changed into the dress. I placed the strips of fabric that I cut out into makeshift straps. So this, a thicker strap, this would be a thinner strap. So I've decided to go with this thickness. And they'll look like this once I've sewn them on. This is my sewing station of the day. And over here, Annika, what are you making? I'm knitting. Do you want to show us what you're knitting? I'm knitting a V-neck cardigan. She's gotten really into knitting recently. And this is the first sweater she made. Put it on myself, making sure not to poke myself. And then I'm just gonna take it off, do the same thing on the other side, making sure that it's symmetrical to the middle. It's fine.
It looks like Forever 21. I'm just kidding.
This is the first sweater she made.
Oh, don't show them, Amber. It's so bad. I hate it. Don't show them. If you, Amber, I'll you if you.
This is the sleeve.
Amber, stop. No.